Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is of course required to download something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So after making sure that you've got the internet, just enter the Play Store. Of course you will have to log in if you're not already signed in. After that, just tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage option. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And in my case, I've got only one update. But if you've got a lot of them, you will be of course able to pick them just by tapping on them. And as you can see right now, it is marked, in my case 1, but of course you can pick more, and just tap on this update icon. And as you can see right now, the update is pending, which means that it will be downloaded and then successfully installed and automatically updated and applied actually. So you do not really need to do anything more manually. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.